everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about portobello mushrooms, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with portobellos. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with your mushrooms that you have, hopefully this will help you out. Portobellos go well with basil, cayenne, chervil, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cilantro, dill, marjoram, mint, mustard, and that would be mustard seed and mustard powder, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, rosemary, salt, tarragon, and thyme. I hope this helps you out. Bye for now.